Are you looking to earn some extra cash before Christmas? What if I told you that you could make $30 just by posting simple daily videos? Introducing Flustr, the platform that makes it easy to turn your creativity into cash. With Flustr, you can create engaging video posts that resonate with your audience, all from the comfort of your home. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or prior experience. Just grab your smartphone and start sharing your thoughts, tips, or daily moments. Consistency is key. By posting daily, you'll build your following and increase your earning potential. Plus, Flustr rewards you for your engagement, so the more you post, the more you earn. Imagine having that extra $30 in your pocket just in time for the holidays. Whether it's for gifts, decorations, or a festive meal, it's all possible with Flustr. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today and watch your earnings grow. Click the link in the description below or in the comments section to join our Telegram community where we train you on how to sort for videos. Teams work to help you earn your $30 fast. We also have premium training class for this. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Treasure Tech, we are your home of beautiful ideas and practical solutions.